But wait, don't scroll. This 10 minutes could change your life. We all want success. We all dream of becoming someone great. But behind every dream, there is a battle. Behind every smile, there is pain. Behind every victory, there is a story that no one sees. When you start chasing your dreams, the world will test you. People will laugh at you. Friends will doubt you. You'll fail again and again. And every time you fall, you'll start to believe maybe they were right. Maybe you're not good enough. But listen to me, you are not weak. You were born to fight. You were born to rise from your pain. You were born to make the impossible possible. Every night you stay awake. Every tear you hide. Every sacrifice you make is building the person you're meant to become. Success doesn't come overnight. It comes with sweat, heartbreak, and endless faith. When the world sleeps, you keep working. When they quit, you keep pushing. When they doubt, you keep believing. Because one day, the same people who ignored you will say, "I always believed in you." But you'll know the truth, you believed in yourself when no one else did. There will be days when you want to give up, when the pain feels too heavy to carry. But those are the days that shape you. Those are the days that turn the ordinary into extraordinary. You see, life is not about comfort. It's about growth. Every struggle is a lesson. Every failure is a teacher. Every dark night prepares you for the sunrise that's coming. So don't chase easy. Chase greatness. Because greatness demands sacrifice. The road will be lonely. You will lose people. You will lose sleep. But never lose your purpose. You have fire inside you. You have the power to change everything. You just need to stop listening to the noise outside and start trusting the voice inside. That voice that tells you, keep going. Even when you're tired, even when it hurts, even when no one believes, keep going. Because you're closer than you think. One more step, one more try, one more day, and your life will never be the same again. When you finally make it, people will only see your success. They won't see the nights you cried, the moments you broke, the prayers you whispered in silence. But you'll know how hard it was. And that's what makes your victory real. So rise, fight, fall, rise again. Keep building when no one is watching. Keep believing when no one understands. Keep working when no one claps for you, because one day your success will make the noise that silence could never hold. Your story isn't over yet, it's just beginning. You were born to inspire. You were born to shine. You were born to prove that pain is not the end, it's the beginning of greatness. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start now. Start scared. Start broken. But just start. Because the world is waiting for your light. And when it shines, everyone will see you were never ordinary. You were destined for more.